First and foremost, welcome home, Chillin' with Walt. You dig? This here's round glass table copycat Chillin' with Walt, made by me. Congratulations to the both of y'all. And I have seen this spot plenty of times. Finally went to go get some from it. You know, this little macaroni. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, y'all see what it is? Jollibee. Hey y'all, man, welcome to Grand Buffet like you did. Yes indeed, you feel me? Yeah, I mean, this here is a mukbang today, you feel me, with the Jollibee. Yeah, I mean, I look a hot mess, man. I'm fresh in, man. I'm tired. Long day. You know what I'm saying? I actually just got back from a job I did, you feel me, today? You know what I'm saying? You know. But I'm gonna switch it up though, man. I'll be having this video on. Oh, y'all wondering, but don't trip. I got something special for y'all. You dig? Feel me? My first time though. At the Jollibee spot. Ooh, look at ooh, they got it looking scrumptious though, bro. I ain't gonna go lie though. You feel me? Popeyes ain't got nothing on that. Chick-fil-A burger don't look like that either, man. I'm just gonna keep it a honey with you, man. Oh yeah, okay. I got some macaroni right there. First and foremost, and pray for man. Ooh, look at that though. Ooh, I like how they got their fresh lettuce.
I just look like someone you used to know. Wish I could get same about you.
Oh.
No, you're right. I don't know. So, why don't you tell
Oh
me?
yeah. Hands down, bro. They so good. That chicken, bro. Oh. You want one of these tenders?
Or wherever.
You taste it? I got like 3. You get one though.
It's not that simple. Gotta say, you're scared.
Take that.
That's good.
No, I want to.
No, you didn't.
Bro, trying to swap food and stuff.
How's the big one? Like they all that stuff, they were big.
We were talking about getting divorced. Why are you lying?
Oh, I ain't gonna lie.
Shit, what the hell did you know?
They shrimp slamming, bro. Bro. Nah, bro. Nah, yeah. That's why everybody be there. That Louisiana chicken. Spicy.
So I stayed and I taught junior college for a bunch of fun shooters.
Here's the new spot. If you want some a chicken to be spicy, perfect. Feel me, I'm saying, but it still tastes like Popeyes and Chick-fil-A. Now this is the spot. Popeyes and all them. Y'all ain't messing with them.
He never said anything to me. That's why he started acting out. Remember when he got suspended?
But I'm about to get in. Go in on my food, man. I ain't gonna do too much talking. You feel me? I hope everybody having a blessed day, you know what I'm saying? With me, for a minute I was feeling kind of like a little tired, I think, because we went to playing at the park and stuff, played a little basketball, did a little cardio exercise and stuff, you feel me? I with my brother and around the world. Nah, matter of fact, I did with him because I told him, you know, it was like, you know, he tried to, I don't know where Wyoming come from, but it was a tie game actually. Or if that win was real, like you said, then he won.
So what other memories of mine do you want to crush?
Other than that though, I ain't doing too much talking. I'm about to get to the food.
Our lives just let the storybook bullshit you seem to.
Oh, they out of pocket though for giving me this though.
Oh, there were parts of it that seemed pretty perfect to me.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
That's a big old tomato. They out of pocket for
That
that.
weird marshmallow thing you made with yams. Yeah. Well, not even I can ruin what is essentially about marshmallows, butter, and sugar. When I look at you, refused to go. You were so good. I used to leave you behind. Teenagers are self-absorbed.
I ain't gonna lie. Hey, Fish boy is better than JJ Fish.
Yeah, JJ Fish.
So, I always knew that
Overrated. I mean, now,
just you and me.
back in the days,
But you refused to
it
fight.
was slimy.
Boring. Just keeps going around in a circle. And I forced you to.
Mm.
You wouldn't speak about it. But I knew that you loved
I ain't gonna lie, I like that chicken sandwich.
being up high, untouchable. Eventually, you just couldn't help yourself. You busted out into this big, beautiful grin.
Wasn't too spicy, it was like a perfect spice.
How are you getting out?
All around the whole sandwich though, you feel me?
Carl locked you in here.
Come on, you got what you wanted. Someone's returning the cops. They'll be here any minute. Just leave them alone. There's no way out.
I get it. What's the blood, bro? He's talking about how big it is.
No way. I told you to setting us up.
My little cousin, other cousin got the spaghetti, I don't know. I didn't want to have too much of tomato sauce though, but you know. And my cousin, my brother, I mean, I don't know why I say cousin, I'm thinking somebody else. Yeah, got the, from this other spot, from the, I might be doing a motivated that matter. Out here, you feel me? That shrimp though, it was animal, I ain't gonna lie.
I got so busy. So I'm pursuing one of our other cases and
I was eating, you know how something be so good. Eating it. But you're tasting it at the same time. And we're trying to figure out what kind of seasons they put in there. They do. The tenders ain't bad neither. I probably just needed some barbecue sauce. Y'all know me, man. If I ain't got no slaw, I got some type of macaroni.
I don't want anything to do with those. So if you work for them,
I don't.
I just eat a little bit. I ate some.
Discuss what I did to you.
It was so good, I had to go buy another one for later.
don't you? That's the catch. Sorry, they don't
Yeah.
do that anymore. But we have a good job. People find out, try to lose you.
I don't think you're grasping.
That was screaming.
I am the
Sam.
best lawyer you can afford.
Man, like I say, man, the spicy chicken
My clients
sandwich,
sit around rotting in jail for
hey,
a year.
it's killing Popeyes
The charges
and it's killing Chick-fil-A. That's my opinion. if you want a chicken sandwich, man, to have 2 in 1, or this the spot, I mean.
What's wrong with you?
I'm basically full,
You
man.
tell me.
I'm not a goddamn.
I'm full, y'all.
You said don't you?
No, yeah.
Full good. This was action shine.
Hey, good me people.
Yeah, you know. Always you good me people, you feel me, you dig? Food was definitely good. I didn't even need 2 sandwiches. That was just bruh. And I ain't even ate all day.
Are you had got 2 sandwiches, brother? Brother.
I actually got top last thing. I didn't need 2 sandwiches. Like, you feel me? You know how you go to Popeyes or somewhere, you're gonna need 2 sandwiches. That spot right there, yeah. That part, I ain't gonna lie. It was definitely scrumptious. It was tasty. Hope everybody had a blessed day, man. I mean, me personally, I had a good day. I mean, was at the park, got some fresh air, felt good, man. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we don't do them type of things. And you know what I seen though that was interesting to me? I seen a guy, you know what I mean, he had his little one. And he had a kite. I mean, when I was growing up, you used to see, you know, I'm probably could see stuff like that at a beach or something. Think about taking a kid to the park and get a kite. I don't even think people think about that no more. I'm gonna have to probably double back with this spot. Probably get that spaghetti or something. You feel me? Let y'all know what they do. Was the spaghetti good?
Yeah. And you didn't murder him or anything.
Okay, she said it was good, so I ain't never tasted it. You feel me? But most definitely, you know what I'm saying? I think the food I did just eat. Now I'm gonna get my mind together, relax. You know what I'm saying, and whatnot. So I thank everybody that's tuned in. Hope you guys checked out my last video. It's this other spot, you know what I mean, my folks and all of us was talking about. I was thinking about Mukbang, I think it's Angry Chicken, Angry Bird place.
Paid by numbers.
You know what I mean? I don't know what it was. Angry Chicken?
Angry chicks.
Oh, Angry Chicks. You know what I'm saying? I may do a mukbang of that. I don't know, man. The more of the story, man, I'm tired, man. I'm woozy. You know what I'm saying? And man, I hope everybody have a blessed day. You feel me? We're gonna talk about eat good, me peoples. Thank y'all for tuning in. Anybody that's been rocking with me to the fullest, man. Thank y'all for rocking with me, staying down with me like 4 flats in the Cadillac. You did. Hey, most definitely, man. Alright, man. I love everybody. Thank y'all for watching my channel, helping me complete my goals, the goals that temporarily goals. But you know what I'm saying? Look, I don't even know what more to say, man. I'm tired. You have a blessing. Eat good, me peoples. And ladies, don't forget to beautify your life. You did.
We